Now, good evening, class 11. How are you? Fine. Now, topic is today's very interesting topic is related of the kinematic equation. So, first of all, you can see in my thumbnail, and now the constant acceleration by calculus method. So, now we start the point. You please my screen, all of you. You see this picture. This picture is very clear cut message sent here. This is the one object. This object here, and it's situated at point A. Okay, and some distance traveling a constant acceleration. Okay, and constant acceleration and some distance traveling. So first point A is the initial point. So time t is equal to 0, x is equal to x naught, initial displacement, and velocity v is equal to v naught. Now taking the common t, taking the time t, and object A is moving go to object B, and t is equal to t, and v is equal to v, and x is equal to x. It means here is the A is the final value and B is the initial value. So now by definition, acceleration A is equal to dv upon dt. dv upon dt is very instantaneous acceleration. Instantaneous acceleration is the value A is equal to dv upon dt. Now cross multiplication. So dv is equal to a dt. Okay, this point is clear. Now both side taking the integration, and integration sign are introduced here, a dt. Now put the value limits. First of all, limit t is equal to 0, then the velocity is v naught. T is equal to t, it means times 2 to t, the velocity is v, it means final velocity. So now apply the difference integration. Now apply the integration formula. Integration formula is the simple integration of the dv. So first of all, left hand side as it is, v dv v naught. Here is the v is the upper limit and v naught is the initial फाइनल लिमिट या इनिशियल लिमिट. ओके, अपर लिमिट या लोअर लिमिट के लिए इसको डिफाइन करेंगे dv. now a is the constant because the constant acceleration are moving here, so taking the common remaining 0 to t and dt, and both side integration value. So v and v naught, and here is the a time t naught. Okay, now putting the limit replaced by v, so v replaced by v minus v naught, because first of all upper limit minus lower limit, this process are applying, all of you this process are applying upper limit minus lower limit is equal to a, and first upper limit t minus 0, so v minus v naught is equal to at, and v is equal to v naught plus at is the first kinematic equation. V is equal to v naught plus at. So all of students write down. Okay, now next further point on using the particle या object, a constant acceleration are moving there. So further is the constant velocity. So v is equal to instantaneous velocity. V is equal to dx upon dt. Okay, got it all of you? This formula is already instantaneous velocity formula. So v is equal to, now dx is equal to v plus dt. Okay, now dx v replaced by v naught plus at, the value is putting here in dt, and both sides is the integration formula, and the dx, here is the dx integration, and v naught plus at and dt. My dear friends, left hand side, left formula is as it is, and right hand side this is the function of the v naught plus at. So first of all, this formula is the separate theory are applied here. so dx, and now v naught dt plus integration at dt. Now put the integration. Now put in the limit time t0, displacement x naught, time t, the displacement is the x. So x is the upper limit, x naught is the lower limit. Okay, this value are putting here. Okay, now again the left hand side are as it is, x dx, v naught is already constant terminology. Okay, 0 to t dt, and t is also constant terminology, 0 to t dt. All of you. So first of all, write down this process, and this process is very clear cut message are sending here. Now integration of the dx, x and x naught, integration of v naught is the integration of t 0 to t, and a is constant, and here is the t and dt. My dear friends, this picture is very this clear. T is the function and dt is the derivative. So t and dt के रेस्पेक्ट में इंटीग्रेशन होगा. So here is the applying the integration formula. And now here is the t is the power is the 1, and integration power is the increase. That means the t2 upon t. Okay, and limit 0 to t. This clear? Now putting the upper limit x minus x naught and v naught t minus 0 plus a by 2 t square minus 0 square. So result value x minus x naught and v naught t plus half a t square is the second kinematic equation. Is all of you write down. It is very clear cut message. Okay, and now third point are write down. So remove here. ओके माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, आपको वापस कहते हैं रोटेशनल इक्वेशन भी फाइंड आउट करेंगे, इसलिए वीडियो के अंदर बने रहे। ऐसा नहीं है कि ये जो है हमको आ रहा है, मैं रोटेशनल पॉइंट को भी फाइंड आउट करूंगा। ओके, नाउ वी कैन राइट सो वैल्यू ऑफ द a is equal to dv upon dt. It is the instantaneous velocity. There are some changing dv upon dt are multiplied numerator and denominator dx upon dx. Okay, so numerator are not changing, only for the denominator point are changing. So dx are goes to the dt and dt are goes to the dx. It is clear? Again repeat, dx is goes to the dt and dt is goes to the ds. So changing this formula, dv upon dt, dv upon dx and dx upon dt. All of you got it? Now dx upon dt is converted instantaneous velocity. So put the here value. Now a is equal to v and dv upon dt. Okay, so all of you first mechanism are very clear cut message. Only for the denominator are changeable, numerator are not changeable. So this convert to the a is equal to v dv upon dt. Okay, so write down. Now second step is very message clear. Okay, second step is the message clear. It is a very simple message. v dv is equal to a dt. Okay, and both sides applying the integration formula. So again applying the integration formula here, v dv is equal to integration a dt. Okay, this is the very clear cut message are leaving here. Yes, dv, here is the dx, sorry, dx, v dx, yes, dx. Again write here this a is equal to v dx, dv upon dx, dv upon dx. So here is the multiplication, here cross multiplication. Now limit x naught, the velocity v naught, x final, now the velocity is v. Now in power b, function b and derivative b. Okay, so as it is, and here is a is the constant. Okay, so a is the constant, so left hand side as it is, a is constant, taking the common x naught dx. Okay, now v is the function derivative v dv, the v is the power 1, so integration v square by 2, because integration increasing, so power 1 to 2 and upon 2, and v naught is the limit. Now a and dx integration x naught. Okay, all of you got it? Now next step, putting the limit, first of all upper limit and second limit. Write down all of you. Okay. Okay, now first of all 1 upon 2, or put v square minus v naught square, and here is the a x minus x naught. So now v square minus v naught square is equal to 2 a x minus x naught. Okay, and now v naught square is the transferring here. So v square is equal to v naught square plus 2ax minus x naught. It is the kinematic equation of the third. Okay, my dear friends, again repeat the first equation, v is equal to v naught plus at, and second x minus x naught is equal to v naught t plus half at square, or find out the calculus method. Okay, all of you write down. Now second step, and the second point is the equation of the rotational. So you can see this picture. This picture is very clear. Now the alpha is the angular acceleration, time t is equal to 0, displacement theta is equal to theta naught, and here is the theta is equal to theta, and angular velocity omega is equal to omega naught, and here is the omega is equal to omega. Okay, now again the definition of the acceleration. By definition of the acceleration, so alpha is equal to d omega upon dt is the angular acceleration definition. So now d omega is equal to alpha dt. Okay, and now both side is the applying the integration formula. So d omega is equal to alpha integration of the alpha dt. First of all, the time t is equal to 0, the omega is equal to omega naught, and time t is equal to t, the final angular velocity omega. So integration is the omega and omega naught, because the omega is the upper limit and omega naught is the lower limit, and alpha is the constant terminology, the taking the common, and remaining portion delta t, so integration t, and now 0 to t. Got it all of you? Same process are applying, only for the physical variable quantities are changing. So first of all, put the upper limit omega minus omega naught, and alpha and t minus t naught. So first step is the kinematic equation of the rotational motion में omega minus omega naught is equal to alpha t, and omega is equal to omega naught plus alpha t is the first rotational equation of the kinematic form. Okay, so write down all of you. Okay, now second step is the again related to the second derivative form. Alpha is the constant terminology, so Second step is the very simple. Now angular velocity omega by definition is equal to d theta upon dt. It means angular displacement upon time taken. Yeah, rate of the angular displacement. This is called the angular velocity. Okay, and now omega is equal to d omega upon dt. Now cross multiplication, so dt is equal to omega dt. Okay, now d theta omega replaced by values omega naught plus alpha t dt, and now applying the both sides is the integration formula. D theta is equal to integration of omega naught plus alpha t dt, and put the limit t is equal to 0, so theta is equal to theta naught, t is equal to t, so theta is equal to upper limit theta. Now changeable theta naught is equal to d theta, and this is the right hand side is very simple formula. I applying omega naught plus alpha t bracket close dt. So first of all separate this formula, and now 0 to t omega naught dt plus 0 to t alpha t dt. All of you. Okay, now second step is the left hand portion as it is d theta d naught upon t. Here is the omega naught taking common and dt plus taking common alpha, and remaining portion is the t dt. Okay, so integration of the theta, d theta integration the theta, and upper limit is the theta naught. Here is the omega naught integration of the dt t naught plus alpha integration of the t dt. T is the power 1, so t square by 2 0 to t. First of all put the values. Okay, so first of all put the values. It means upper limit and lower limit. The theta minus theta naught is equal to omega naught t minus 0 plus alpha by 2 t square minus 0 square. So last formula is very theta minus theta naught is equal to omega t plus alpha t square by 2. All of you got it? Okay, it is very clear cut message in the second equation. Okay, so write down all of you second equation of the rotational motion. Now third derivative of third equation. Okay, now first of all again some changing, so we can write alpha is equal to d omega upon dt. Okay, all of you got it this process? Okay, now again the alpha is equal to d omega upon dt, and numerator and denominator are multiplied d theta upon d theta. Okay, d theta. Okay, and again d theta goes to the dt and dt goes to the d theta. It means denominator position are changing and create a new function here. So alpha is equal to d omega upon d theta and d theta upon dt. Okay, now d theta upon dt is the called of omega angular velocity. This the formula is the d theta upon dt. So this the new function are here. The alpha is equal to omega d omega upon d theta. All of you got it? Now write down. Okay, now next step is next step is alpha omega d omega upon d theta are cross multiplication, and here is the omega d omega and alpha d theta. So both sides are applying the integration omega d omega and alpha d theta. Here is the theta naught and here is the omega naught. Here is the theta, here is the omega. So convert the integration formula applying here. Now the omega square by 2 and omega naught alpha and d theta is the integration of the theta and theta naught. Okay. Now put the value 1 upon 2 omega square minus omega naught square is equal to alpha theta minus theta naught. Okay. Write down 2 से multiply, it means cross multiplication. So omega square minus omega naught square is equal to 2 alpha theta minus theta naught. So omega square minus omega naught square, omega is equal to omega naught square plus 2 alpha theta minus theta naught. Okay, so third derivative formula are finding here. So all of us students write down. There are given the 3 equation of the rotational equation. So all of you write down. Okay, my dear friends. So linear acceleration and rotational acceleration से got it the kinematic equation. Okay, so वीडियो को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और चैनल को और भी बढ़ाएं. आपकी डिमांड पर ये चैनल चल रहा है, इस पर अच्छे वीडियोस आएंगे फिजिक्स से रिलेटेड. ओके, जो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब किया उनके लिए अगेन थैंक यू. अच्छे कमेंट्स दे रहे हैं, अच्छा सब कुछ लिख के भेज रहे हैं. जो रॉन्ग कमेंट दे रहे हैं उनको मैं ये कहूँगा उनका माइंड में भी रॉन्ग है, इसलिए रॉन्ग कमेंट इनकी का मीनिंग है वो साइंस के लायक नहीं है. ओके, सो थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू.